Kundalini Yoga to get grounded. Simple, very straightforward technique, and also an incredible way to bring yourself back. We're going to use our hands, we're going to use a little motion with our fingers, and we're just going to enjoy this experience. So follow along. My name is Salimah, yoga therapist, and welcome to Kundalini Yoga. Take a moment now and sit with a tall, straight spine and really focus on feeling your feet on the ground. Feel your seat in the chair or cross-legged, however way you're sitting is perfect. Make sure your spine is tall and straight. And we're going to take a few deep breaths to experience this and to pull ourselves into awareness. Okay, so 3 breaths. Inhale very deeply and exhale completely. Inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. So think about grounding as being back in your body, being able to feel your feet on the floor, feel the sensation of air on your skin, and to be aware of your surroundings and at the same time feel rooted. And that's exactly what we're going to do with this technique. So bring your hand all the way up, and this is your left hand. And with the fingers of your right hand, we're going to start to walk a line from the palm of the hand all the way up to the fingers. Okay, so I'll show you what that looks like and then we'll do the practice. So here we're taking the index finger and the middle finger and starting to walk all the way up. And here the walking is going to go across, up the palms, and that middle finger is walking up the ring finger, and that index finger is walking up the middle finger. So really powerful experience here. Let's get into it now. Close your eyes. And with your eyes just a little bit open, so open your eyes just a little bit, just so you can see, and then get a sense of that feeling. And now close your eyes, breathe long and deep, and continue to walk your fingers from the base of your palm all the way up to your fingertips. We're here for about 3 minutes. Inhaling for a count of 4 and exhaling for a count of 4. Just check in with your posture. Check in with your breath. Just about halfway there. Here we're using reflex points in the fingers to stimulate a grounding experience in the mind. Between the breath and this movement, we're starting to dial down the nervous system. In other words, there's no need to disassociate or escape from the body. In fact, the body is the temple and the conduit that we're having these life experiences in. And finding safety inside of our bodies is such a powerful way to experience the world. Last round, we're going to go all the way up and then all the way down. Press both hands firmly together. Exhale completely. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. And bowing your head in reverence to yourself, to these few minutes that we've had together, and to these teachings that have been passed on from generation to generation of teachers so that we can be here in the moment in our modern worlds, in our modern culture, to receive the benefit. So powerful. My name is Salimah, yoga therapist. If you're looking for more, check the links in my bio: numerology, harmony within, Kundalini Yoga teacher training, and so much more. Lots of love to you. Until next time.